Congratulations, Yorme Isko Moreno, kabibig. Grabe, na-feature si Isko Moreno sa The New York Times. Sikat na si Yorme internationally. Nako, parang sinampal yata si BBM sa ginawa ni Yorme. Si Yorme, nilinis ang Manila, trending, pinag-usapan internationally. Si BBM, yung Polboronic video, yun siya pinag-usapan internationally, bangag. Pero si Yorme, ang kaniyang effort na magtrabaho at talagang trinabaho, yun ang nagpasikat kay Isko Moreno internationally, mga kabibig niyo, kabibig, yan, The New York Times. Francisco Dumagoso returned to office as Manila's mayor on Monday to the news that companies that collect city's garbage were ending their services that day, citing unpaid bills. He declared a state of emergency in the city the next day. Manila's garbage problem goes international. Sino ang nasampal? Sino ang nakaupong gobyerno ngayon? 'Di ba? Ang tagal na hindi nabigyan ng solusyon. Only Yorme. Si Yorme lang ang nagbigay ng solusyon. So sino ang sikat? Sino ang pinag-usapan? Si Dumagoso. O, 'di ba? Sabi dito mga kabibig, Yorme Isko Moreno Dumagoso has just been on the job for 1 week, but he's already done a ton of work to fix the problems left behind by his predecessor, Hani Lacuna. And the problem of the uncollected garbage when Yorme took over has caught the attention of #The New York Times, one of the most influential newspapers in the U.S. The momentum that Yorme has gained in just 1 week gives a good indicator of how quickly Yorme can turn the city of Manila around and bring it back to its old glory. It also puts him on track for another crack at the presidency, most probably in 2032 elections after completing 3 terms. He will be ripe for the job by then. His success in Manila can be his blueprint for the whole country, as PRRD had done with his Davao City experience. Inday Sara Duterte is also projected to be the next president in 2028 because of her experience as mayor of Davao City. This could signal a shift in the way the country picks its president. In the past, you needed to be a senator to build a national scale of popularity. Not anymore. Social media had put effective governors and mayors on a national stage. Yun pala ang ginawa ni Lenin nung bumalik siya maging mayor. Si BP Sara, mayor, naging vice-presidente. Si Digong, mayor, naging presidente. Well, kung talagang meron kang ginawa at ginagawa sa inyong lugar, sa inyong city, of course, mapapansin talaga yan whole Philippines. Pero pag-uusapan talaga yan. Ito si Yorme, international. Pinag-usapan international si Yorme. Na I think tanging si Yorme lang ang nakapagbigay ng solusyon hinggil dito. Grabe, ito ang New York Times ito yung paano pinag-usapan, ito na yan, 'di ba? The New York Times yan. Manila's returning mayor has a mountain to climb. It's made of garbage. Nakakahiya, no? Nakakahiya, no? Hindi ito sampal ni Yorme kasi si Yorme ang nagbibigay ng solusyon. Sampal ito sa previous administration at kung ano ang ginawa ng presidente natin. Diba? Mayor Francisco Dumagoso declared a state of emergency in the Philippine capital while piles of garbage left uncollected by contractors saying they have not been paid. Tingnan nyo kabibig. Grabe. Sabi ni Mayor Dumagoso, it hurts the eyes, it hurts the nose, and it hurts public health. Yun kabibig. So sikat si Yorme ngayon. Sikat si Yorme kasi siya ang tagabigay ng solusyon. 'Di ba? eto mga kabibig ha. Ito yung ito yung video ni Yorme ni Isko Moreno kung saan grabe si Isko, no? Grabe na agad-agad pag upo pa lang solusyon agad. Hindi yung hindi siya namumulitika. Hindi niya tawag dito kinontra or hindi siya nag-hold ng grudges sa previous administration. Hindi yung inaway-away niya, sinampahan ng kaso at kung ano-ano pa. Kundi focus si Yorme sa kung ano ang kailangan. Focus si Yorme kung ano ang problema. Hindi katulad ng administrasyon ngayon, mas focus sila sa mga Duterte. Bakit takot sila sa mga Duterte? Kasi meron silang ginawa. Itong administrasyon ngayon ni BBM. So ito nakabibing.
I just want to state facts for the meantime. May basura sa kalsada, may hindi na bayaran. Hindi na bayaran ng 2024 na luma, kumuha sila ng bago according sa kagustuhan nila, hindi rin nila binayaran. Ang tawag doon is tapa. When you acquire services and products at hindi mo binayaran, ang tawag yan is tapa, in line with your question. 950 million as per the city record is concerned. From 561, kumuha ng bago, nagsinungaling hindi raw totoong hindi sila binabayaran, o yung kinuha bago, hindi rin nabayaran. So kayo na po ang maging husga.
So ano yung naging agreement natin, sir?
Today,
Yes.
sabi ko, tirahin niyo muna, pwede bang makisuyo? Kasi makakawa. Hygiene, sakit, talagang alam mo yung salitang, alam mo yung nagmamakaawa ka. As a father of the city, on behalf of your people. That is the situation between the conversation, me and Junel. And I literally beg if they can do it for free. For all time's sake, matagal naman na sila naglingkod sa Maynila. Nakapaghanap buhay din naman sila sa Maynila. And they agree. Now, binigyan ko lang sila ng elbow room to utilize everything simultaneously in line also with our resources as a city, and yung MMDA nakikiusap rin ako na sabay-sabay kalawitin lahat ng basura ko. Lahat ng obstruction na garbage from the Esquinita and so on.
Tingnan nyo, kung hindi pa naman nagmamakaawa si Isko sa MMDA, baka hindi tutulungan to. Ngayon, si Claire Castro nagsabi na, inuutusan ni BBM lahat ng LGU kasama ang MMDA para linisin ang basura. Kung hindi nagmakaawa si Isko sa MMDA, hindi makikinig sila. Robbie, ha?
Ito masakit. In fact, kausap ko si Engineer kanina, yung nagbaha last week, o yung basura natin, nasa informal lahat. So that's another challenge. So it's going to be challenging in the coming days. Now, with regard to timeline, the least thing that I can assure you and our people, we will not stop until it's clean.
So there you go, kabibig. Kita yun naman, di ba? Ito naman ang komento ng ating mga netizen. I don't know if this will be a good gesture for Mayor Isko, though I commend him to be the next president in 2028 in case this mga government willingly to do everything just to get rid of the 30 in 2028. Be careful and watchful, Mayor Isko Moreno, from this mga administration et al. They can't be trusted. God bless you and God bless the Philippines. Ito pa. All I can say is a good start. And why the hell Sara equate to this? Bakit Sara? Anong problema kay Sara Duterte? Just keep doing on doing your best for the people's welfare, Mayor Isko Moreno. Wow! International good impressions ito kay Yorme. So amazing, Yorme Isko. Be the best of all time. Ito pa. Isko Moreno has a better way of leadership. Ito pa. I believe that Isko Moreno can be the next president, mga kabibig. Ito na. So madami, dito nga komento kabibig kung saan pinuri si Isko Moreno sa kanyang ginagawa ngayon.